Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. Monarda is also known as bee balm, and bergamot as well, as in the tea. Has very aromatic leaves. If you give them a rub, you can release the fragrance from them, and the bees absolutely love them. So this plant has very much finished now. We probably could have got to a bit sooner. There's really, there's nothing there. Tiny bit of colour. It's a plant that shoots from the ground, which means we're going to cut it back to the ground. As we've been so long, it has actually started doing a fair bit of reshooting itself, so I will let those stay, but all of the older bits I'm going right back down to the ground. And there we are, looking an awful lot better.